Hey TikTokers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple trick to remove your profile picture on TikTok using a default image. Let's get started. First, open your TikTok app and make sure you're logged into the correct account where you want to remove the profile picture. Head over to your profile page by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the Edit Profile button located below your follower count, then select the Change Photo option. Now, here's the trick. Since TikTok doesn't have a direct option to remove your profile picture, we'll use a default image. Close TikTok and open your browser. Go to Google and search for Default Profile Picture. Tap on the Images option to see various default profile pictures. Choose an image you like, press and hold on it, and save it to your device's gallery. Return to the TikTok app and go back to your profile page. Tap on Edit Profile again, then tap on Change Photo and select Upload Photo. Navigate to the default image you just saved from your gallery and tap on it to select it. Finally, tap on Save. Voila! You've successfully removed your profile picture on TikTok and replaced it with a default image. If you found this trick helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.